OpenAI released two new models, O3 and O4 mini. They are claiming it is at or near genius level model. Let's see, does it really a genius level model? They release a new models O3 and O4 mini. Now these are the latest series of models that train to think before responding anything. Now these are the smartest models they release ever. The first time their reasoning models can agentically use and combine every tool within the ChatGPT. This includes the searching the web, analyzing uploaded files and other data with Pythons, and reasoning deeply about visual inputs. This is the main important things they included in this model, and even generating the images. What changed? In O3 model, it is most powerful reasoning models in the coding, mathematics, science, and visual perception, and more. Now, this is performing well in almost every benchmark like the Codeforce, SWA bench, etc. For the O4 mini, it is the smallest model optimized for the fast and cost-efficient reasoning, which can achieve the better performance with the low cost in the mathematics, coding, and the visual task. If we see the performance wise, the O4 mini is better performing compared to the O3 in the math competition for the 2024 and 2025. In the Codeforce's code competition, in that also O4 mini is performing better than the O3. The ELO rating between the O3 and O4 are the difference is very less. If we check the PhD level size question in this, O3 is performing better compared to O4 and other GPT models, and the expert level questions across the subject in that also O3 is performing with the tool and without the tool performing better compared to other GPT models. This is also multimodal AI which can process the text and images both. So for the college level visual problem solving, the O3 is performing better, that is 82.9% compared to the O4 mini and O1. In the visual math reasoning, in that also O3 is performing better, and the scientific figure reasoning, in that also it is performing better compared to other GPT models. If we check the coding wise, in coding also it is O3 is performing better compared to the other GPT model and O4 mini. And the software engineering, in that also it is performing better, that is 69.1%. If we check the coding editing, in that also it is O3 is performing better compared to other GPT model and O4 mini. If we check the instruction following and the agentic tool use, means like the agent using for searching anything on the browser, in that also it is O3 performing better to compare to O4 mini and other GPT models, but the deep research is performing better than the O3. For the multiple instructions, in that O3 is performing better compared to other GPT models. If we check on the function calling means model are calling through the APIs, in that O3 is performing better compared to other models, but the O1 in the retail category, it is performing better. It is performing like 70.8%, but O3 is performing the 70.4%. The difference is very less, but O1 is performing better in the retail section. They are continuously scaling the reinforcement learning. This model are also trained on the reinforcement learning, and they observe that more compute equal to the better performance. Both the models are trained on the reinforcement learning, and they are also not teaching the how to use the tool, but also the reason about when to use them. This is the important thing. The main part of this model is the thinking with the images. Now the ChatGPT models can think with the images. Okay, so user uploaded one image and asked the question like, I took this picture earlier today. Can you find the name of the biggest ship in you can see and where it can dock next? So ChatGPT analyze the images, and then this is the analyzed image, and they are generating the output based on the images, like that red one is the bigger ship. Now first time they are integrating the images in the chain of the thought. So this is the important thing. They just not see the image, they can think with it. This is the best thing I can see. Now this unlock the new class of problem solving that bend the visual and textual reasoning. People can upload the image of whiteboard, textbook diagrams, or handwritten sketch. Model can interpret it, and even the image is blurry, reverse, or low quality. Then also a tool can use to manipulate the images like rotating, zooming, and transforming them through the process of their reasoning process. That's why this model are delivering the best class accuracy in the visual perception task. Toward agentic tool use, we can use both the O3 and O4 mini in the ChatGPT, and also we can use these through the APIs. Here are the few examples of comparison between the O3 and O1 in the research, math, business, science, sports, and visual reasoning. If we check the output of these two models, so O3 is correctly responding the output without searching, but O1 is failed to deliver the correct response. If we check the cost wise, the O4 mini is performing better compared to O3 mini. And if we check the between the cost and performance between the O1 and O3, the O3 is performing better compared to O1. In the low cost, it is giving the better output. That's why this is the most intelligent model they ever released. And we can also use this model in the Codex command line through the terminal. And we can access this model in the ChatGPT Plus Pro, and the team user will see the O3 and O4 models.